Okay, good morning. I'm gonna show you how to put your Tundra. This is a TSS off-road four-wheel drive. I'm gonna show you how to put it in the four-wheel drive, from two-wheel to four-wheel drive high and four-wheel drive low. It's really simple to do. I know this thing need a washing. That's what I'm supposed to do today. So let's get in, and I'm gonna show you how this works. Okay, I'm in my Tundra now, so I'm gonna show you how to switch it from two-wheel drive to four-wheel drive high, and from four-wheel drive high to four-wheel drive low. It's real simple to do. Once you get into your Tundra, just look here to the right. You'll see this switch right here. Right now it's on two-wheel drive. So you wanna make sure it's in park, make sure your vehicle is started, and just switch it here. Switch it from two-wheel drive to four-wheel drive. You'll see it blinking right there. When it stopped blinking, that means it has successfully went into four-wheel drive. And if it continues to blink, only thing you need to do is just put it in drive and go a little forward, and that's it, or go into reverse. That's how you go from two-wheel drive to four-wheel drive. And you can also go to two-wheel drive to four-wheel drive while you're driving, just long as you don't get over 62 miles an hour. So if you're below 62 miles an hour, you can switch it while you're driving. And you can switch it from four-wheel high back to two-wheel drive while you're driving. So I'm gonna show you how to switch it from four-wheel high to four-wheel low. And to do this, you can't just switch it. You got to push it in. It's in park. Push it in, and you turn it. You're gonna notice that it's gonna continue to beep. It's gonna continue to do that because you cannot switch it from four-wheel high to four-wheel low until you put it in neutral. So we're gonna go back to high, as you can see right there. And we're gonna put it in neutral. So it's in neutral. Now you can push it in and shift it to low. And you probably hear it kick in, and it's in low now. So that's how you put it from high to low. And once you finish driving in low, to get it back into high, you want to stop your vehicle and put it in neutral and turn it, push it in, and turn it to high. And you're gonna see right there, you're gonna hear it kick a little bit. Now it's back into high. And to go back to two-wheel drive, just turn it to two-wheel drive. And that's all to it. The biggest thing to get it from high to low, you have to put it in neutral. You have to be stopped and put it in neutral to go from high to low. All right, I hope this video helped. Subscribe to my channel, and thank you, and have a great day. Don't forget to subscribe, like, turn on your notifications, and share this video. Also leave comments. Thanks for watching welding and stuff.